Today we're making keto cheesecakes. So for the people who are trying to be health conscious, for the people who don't want to intake too much sugar, so we're gonna use equal today. It's a sweetener, but not a sugar, but a sweetener, no calorie, less than 1 gram of carbs. I have my wife with me.
Okay.
And why is she behaving so shy? I don't know. Right? So, gonna grab our ingredients first, everything you're gonna use. Philadelphia cream cheese, 3 of these. The recipe says 2 large eggs, but these eggs seem to be pretty small. So, I'm gonna use 3. They say lime, no, they say lemon. We don't have lemon.
We don't have lemon, so.
We have lemon, but it's gonna be off. So we're gonna be using this. One more thing. Ta-da! Vanilla essence. Now, the recipe says to use, I can't remember how much, but we Trinidadians, we go with the spirit.
So much I feel to put.
Yeah, no, not we feel to put.
The spirit.
When the spirit see to stop. We just put until the spirit see to stop. Let's get things going.
You know this first?
Yeah, so you're fine?
Yeah.
Alright, you want. Oh, I'm gonna put the oven to preheat. 350. Be back. Brand new. So now the recipe said to use swerve, but I wasn't able to find swerve in Trinidad and Tobago. So I didn't check Tobago, but in Trinidad. So we're using equal. This is just about just under a cup. Yeah, it's not the whip, babe. Whip it good. Whip it good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some vanilla essence. Remember how much we added? When the spirit says stop, alright, that seems like a bit too much. I'll show you, know. Now we're gonna do the eggs. Yeah, continue whipping out with them. Now a little trick for people who not accustomed. You know, there are a lot of people who the kitchen is new to them during this period of time, right? You break your eggs into something separate because you don't want a rotten egg or a spoiled egg to end up in your mixture. So you break it into something separate. You're going to just use back this cup.
Plus you don't like so much rice, so I'm using limited ways.
You all know better, right? See, you see, when you're an expert in the kitchen, you know, the wife steps aside and let you handle the stuff.
No,
let you do what you need to do.
The bowl is heavy, and you would hold it better. So I could take this and take it out. You will go and hold the bowl and skip it out.
Let's start. So what I'll do is I will hold it because I'm stronger, right? And she'll do the menial task of just wiping the bowl and scraping it in, right? Yeah, babe.
Why you putting it so high?
And you have to understand there's an art to doing this as well, right? You start with the elbows up, right? Elbows up,
No.
and you swing. See? That's how you do it.
I hope they see the mess you make too, eh?
I don't mess with you, boy. Right? So you start. Let's do it again.
Look over the church. Watch how you're gonna trip into your wildness.
Right? Let's do it again. Elbows up. Just about face level. And you swing. Guys, so cheesecake finished.
Damn.
So just remember we put some chocolate chips. I nearly got a heart attack. I was like,
You
wait a
forget to put chocolate chips on the thing.
And so when I looked at it, I was like, wait a there are holes in the cheesecake. There's just chocolate chip on one part of it because she doesn't eat chocolate, so which I don't understand. People who don't eat chocolate are not to be trusted.
Are the loveliest people in the world.
Anyhow, yeah. So, yeah, remember it's a keto cheesecake. Now the chocolate chips would definitely add some sugar and raise the carb content in it. But with all the chocolate chips, definitely safe for people who on a keto diet, people who trying to stay away from carbs and sugars, also diabetics. It definitely will work out good for diabetic people as well. So, smells good.
It smells real nice.
Alright, so we're gonna
Nice.
leave it to cool a bit. It needs to cool for probably about an hour.
It smells like cheesecake too.
And when it's finished cooling, we're gonna put it in the fridge. Leave it in the fridge, they say, for about 5 hours. And in the morning, we'll cut it and enjoy it, hopefully.
We'll let you know how it tastes.
We think so, I don't know. You can check either our page together, or my page, or one of the pages, I don't know. Or YouTube channels. Yeah? So until next time, guys.
Bye.
Peace!